progress for me. This is mega, yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna do this very, very quickly. Let's see where that leads us.
With a week of Spotify Premium, you can play your LSS anytime, as often as you like. And
I
then
don't know
stop when you've had enough.
fundamentals,
Get
you know?
Premium for a week with just 49 pesos. No commitment, no problem.
Just gonna
I
like
don't know about
this.
you, but Spotify Premium loves parties. One great song after another, endless dancing, and of course, that inevitable big moment. Get a day pass for
I don't know,
49
man.
pesos, and you can bring Premium to the party without committing to a lifetime together.
I really don't know.
To Between the Screens, a Spotify original podcast hosted by the awards back Bianca Guidotti,
I give up in the middle of the fucking grind.
and every crew.
This is very cringe, dude. I'm so sorry.
Don't need to worry about me, and it's on
Uh,
demand, which means you can listen to
I've been
any
like
episode you want,
watching
even download it
videos
when you're on your Wi-Fi
how
with a
to.
similar. No
Jesus
padding, no
Christ, this
software,
advertisement.
just us being real about life, love, and everything in
Is
between.
that
Catch our
the everything
podcast
right
right
now?
here on
Is this
Spotify.
being really busy everything? Alright. Well, I don't know. Uh, I don't know. I think it goes like this one. By the way, um, so people are close. Yeah, dudes here, my dudes. Dudes here. Haha. I think the key mistake that I'm doing right now is not trying to look at the shapes actually. Look at me, I'm trying to scratch fucking figure. This song is actually pretty cool. I don't know. It's good. So I don't know. I can't really comment at what I'm doing wrong because I'm a fucking beginner, dude. I don't know what I'm doing. It's life, you know. I really can't do anything. And I'm just trying to. Maybe they say they'll get better. You know, I'll fucking I'll believe them. What am I doing? What is that? I don't know. Doing, I don't know what he's doing, man. Sort of looking this way. Yeah? Right? Right. It's sort of, no. The hands are like sort of here already. Then there's some hands going on over there. Right here. Yeah, good enough. Get enough. Get enough. Whatever the fuck I'm doing. It's sort of like this thing is wrong. I think. I don't know. And bruh, I'm not even done with the buddy yet. It's already done. God damn. So YouTube, at the time that I'm uploading this, it's my first video, I think. I'm not sure. YouTube will allow me to upload a video that is more than 15 minutes. So I'm intentionally picking 90-second fast voice catches. You know, it's very difficult, but I really have no other choice. I think it's gonna impede my learning process if I'll keep on doing this. I made like there's like 10 pictures of this, right? There's 10 pictures of this, each of them 90 seconds, with a total of 15 minutes. Oh no, 70 seconds. What the fuck? What am I doing, man? What is this? Alright, so we're gonna do that, and I don't know, does that look cool, you guys? Does that look cool, you guys? Let's do a little, oh fuck, man. I don't know. Okay, so this guy, okay, let's make our models a little bit smaller. What the hell is that head, man? So he's doing like a thing like that. He's doing a thing like that, and then, oh no, tapering, I hate it. Dude, what am I doing, man? It's like I'm just doing a stick man or something. There's no fucking thing in it. Well, I get fucked because I used a Spotify video for all this. I might get fucked with this. It. So horrible. So horrible. Oh my god, what am I doing? What am I doing, man? I thought I was gonna improve. I thought I was improving. They lied to me. They lied to me. Oh god, what is that? Oh, fuck. Dude, I don't know what I'm doing, man. I'm so sorry, guys. This is super cringe to look at, but you know, I kind of wanted to see it because maybe in the future I'll get better. I'll look at this and I'll be like, hey, look at this stupid guy. It's suffering. Haha. Can't relate anymore. Haha. So I guess that's good, you know. Oh god. I don't know how. What the hell am I doing? Dude, the proportion is wrong already at the first place. Jesus Christ. I'm really, I don't know, man. Some leaves, whatever. Well, I tried. I really did. Oh my god. I, I'm gonna look for more videos on how to do this shit, man. Guess that's it. Hopefully it didn't go way beyond 15 minutes.